In this tutorial you will learn how to enable CUDA drivers for GPU acceleration in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Hello everybody. If you have the problem to enable CUDA drivers for GPU acceleration in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018, watch this video tutorial for Windows users. I had a problem like you, because if you don't enable Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration, you can't use some of the video effects and transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. This effect requires GPU acceleration. Why is my GPU not available for Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration? The answer is the proper video drivers must be installed for the GPU to be detected by Premiere Pro. The general rule of thumb is a GPU must have more than 1 GB RAM for GPU detection. I was searching for CUDA drivers and results was like this. First I downloaded CUDA Toolkit 10 for Windows and I made a mistake. When I tried to install CUDA Toolkit 10 first, I had to download Visual Studio 2. So I downloaded Visual Studio and install it. After that I installed CUDA Toolkit 10. When I opened Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018, nothing changed. It was wrong. So I uninstalled Visual Studio and CUDA Toolkit 10. After that I have found right drivers. For NVIDIA graphic card, this is Windows drivers in Google search list. If you have AMD graphic card, download current AMD drivers here. If you have NVIDIA graphic card, download NVIDIA drivers here. You will find this links under the video. I have NVIDIA GeForce GT 620 graphic card and I found it on this page. When you find your graphic card, click Search button. Click Download. When you download drivers, close other applications and install it. Open Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Go to File, Project Settings, General. In video rendering and playback, enable Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration CUDA. Click OK. In Effects menu, go to Video Transitions. Immersive video effects requires GPU acceleration. Try one. And it works. Congratulations! If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers!